Hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix Fujitsu air conditioner remote not working or responding. Battery, reset and IR sensor fix. Fix 1 is replace the remote batteries. Remove the battery cover from the remote, then take out the old batteries. Insert new batteries matching the plus and minus symbol. Close the battery cover and test the remote. Second one is reset the remote. Remove the batteries from the remote, then press and hold the power button for 10 to 15 seconds. Then reinsert the batteries. Try using the remote again. Third one is check for blocked IR signal. Point the remote directly at the indoor AC unit, then remove any blockage blocking the front of the AC. Then clean the remote IR sensor and the AC receiver with the soft cloth. Then test the remote again. Fourth one is reset the air conditioner. Turn off the air conditioner, then unplug it or switch off the circuit breaker. Wait 5 minutes, then restore power and try the remote again. Fifth one is clean the remote button. Wipe the remote with a soft dry cloth, then press each button several times to loosen any stuck buttons. Remove dirt around the buttons if needed. Then test the remote. Thanks for watching.